Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add credits to API on Cloud. So you click on guys, if you want to do that, first of all, make sure you're logged into your Cloud Console account. You can see I'm logged in. If you don't have a Cloud Console account, you come to Google over here, then search for Cloud Console, then choose this first website to sign up with your Cloud or Google account. So after signing up, you'll be landed to this page. Now click on this profile icon over here. After that, you can come over here and click on organization settings. Now once you click on the settings, you come and choose billings. So you can see over here it says buy credits. So go ahead and click on that. And then you need to choose the amount of credits you want to buy depending. You can see the startout package is only $5. The next package is $20. And then this one's also recommended, and then the building package is $100. So choose the one you want and then go ahead and buy the credit. So after here, just put in your address line and then put in your city. After putting in your city, you'll then be required to put in your card details and then the CVC and then proceed with the buying. So basically that's it guys. Thanks for watching.